Balik lang po ako kay Congressman Keith Flores. If you may just expound kung ano po yung personal political reasons for not voting in favor of or for not yeah for basically not voting po sa impeachment, given that last year you also, if I'm not mistaken, you signed the impeachment case against the vice president, and does it undermine the optics of the prosecution team that one of the members didn't vote in favor of impeachment?
Well, again, as I said, it's personal political reasons. No? But it's not the first time that a public prosecutor was nominated and elected in the impeachment process as a public prosecutor. No? It happened before when a public prosecutor also did not vote for the articles of impeachment but was nominated and elected by the House. Again, as I said, no, I yield to the collective wisdom of the members of the House when they elected me.
Is part of the reason siguro po based on consultation with constituents? Did that play a role in why you didn't vote in favor of impeachment?
Well, yes, that played a factor of my decision on abstaining. But it wasn't because of the articles of impeachment. I could not, in good conscience, vote against the articles of impeachment because I was present all along when the Committee on Justice heard the evidence presented before.
When you say, sir, that your constituents played a role, is it because you consulted them and they had hesitations, they had reservations when it comes to the impeachment case?
Well, I think it cannot be denied that there are a lot of people in Mindanao who are actually for the vice president. So that playing a factor, yes, that played a factor also in my considerations whether to vote or not to vote. But also as far as maybe the trust and confidence of the members of the House, maybe because I was already a member of the impeachment prosecutors in the previous year, and my familiarity with the case being a vice chairperson of the Committee on Justice, that played a role in their decision in electing me as one.